My name is Sana Aslam and I'm from FAST University, National University of Computer and Emerging Sciences, Islamabad. The project we have carried out is basically part of our final year project, and it is basically a research project about which we are talking about. Basically, the concept of the idea of our project is that it is titled as Semantic Based Multimedia Analysis and Retrieval. The basic idea behind our project is to allow users to search in the multimedia files. Basically, not much work has been done in this domain, allowing users for meaningful search in this multimedia domain, that is the audio and video. So our purpose or our idea is to allow users to do such kind of search in multimedia files. For example, now we search on Google, so we get high precision and low recall. That is, a number of results are returned, but they are not much meaningful to the user. Or you search on YouTube, you search on the basis of the tags associated with the multimedia files, but you cannot search in the what is the content in the multimedia file. So our idea is that allow users to search within the multimedia files. For example, if you search about namaz, our domain is basically Islamic multimedia lectures. So we have we have restricted our domain because we are not able to cover a large domain, but we have covered a specific domain. But our results can be generalized to other domains as well. So this is example, you search for namaz, so you will get nowadays you get a lot of videos about them, but maybe they are hour long or more than that. So you cannot predict that where did the speaker talk about namaz. So we would allow the user to search for namaz, and it will give exactly the location within the media file, that is whether it can be an audio file or a video file. It will exactly locate return to the point where namaz was spoken. And secondly, we will be incorporating semantics in it. Semantics is the new thing on web, that is linking linking the content on the web meaningfully. So it will precisely go to that point in the media file.
My name is Mawish Makhtoom and I am from FAST National University of Computer and Emerging Sciences, Islamabad. The first challenge we came across was to understand the content of the multimedia files. For that, there is a speech recognition domain, but it was basically the complexity arises with the fact that the domain we are targeting, it has within one lecture there is multilingual speech transitions. Like for example, if a speaker is talking about some Islamic theory or concept, he may quote some Arabic or Quranic verse. So to understand the multilingual stream of that multimedia file, that was the first challenge, because speech recognition technology has not been advanced to this extent that it may cover this complexity. And this was the first challenge we came across while dealing with this domain. Basically, we faced a lot of challenges, and we came across a lot of limitations. We had to crop down our scope. Because of that, we came across certain speech recognition tools, and their precision their results were not at all satisfactory. Their accuracy was up to 30%, 30 to 35%. So what we did was that we aligned transcriptions with audio file. After aligning transcriptions, we tagged them with the audio file according to the time in which the specific speech was spoken. We overcome that part, but the accurate speech recognition thing was not at all covered. Because of the complexity of the speech recognition domain, its accuracy is not at all satisfactory. Second challenge we are associated with this project is that currently the speech search engines do not search on the multimedia files. So we use semantic web technologies for this. They are basically the next generation of web technologies that incorporate intelligence in your content. We used to deploy it at a search engine level, at a web level. We had to use semantic web technologies in it. we incorporated those technologies. For that, our supervisor, Ms. Amna Basharat, who is an associate professor at our university, she helped us a lot in this matter. She has a research expertise in this area. Moreover, our university has a dedicated search group in the field of semantics. They also offer us a computer science elective course on Symantec. So this challenge was overcome by these factors very strongly. So this is a strong part of our project. This is a novel feature of our project that distinguishes it from other products, that it has intelligence embedded in its content.
My name is Madhiya Khan and I am from FAST University, National University of Emerging Sciences, and I am from last semester. And mainly our research paper is about our final year project. So we have covered a lot of part of it in our FAP, but mainly few things have just covered. It is the main framework which we have provided, and a lot of work can be done over it. And it is the main architecture, and we want to make it like a general public use search engine, so that they can add up different stuff to it and make it like used for different domains, as we are still domain specific, as we don't have that high quality speech recognition system, and we just don't have that much research done. Still a lot of spaces for research part. So that's why we are still working on this. We are researching basically on how can we make our system more accurate by using good speech recognition part. The main problem is with the speech recognition. Basically we are still stuck with it. We want basically a good research type thing, so that we can do a good, basically we can help out or can like do more research in speech recognition part, so that we can make it efficient and make it more, not more that like it is quite domain specific. So we want to make it generic so that different people can use it, and we want people to contribute in this so that they can make it more like more efficient results can be achieved.